Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you a handheld vacuum that I 3D printed. The design is from MakerWorld, and it comes with a pre-assembled electronics kit, no soldering needed. The print took about 16 hours, but it was worth it. Here's a quick look at the print in action. I used my Bambu Lab P2S, and it handled the parts smoothly. You could see the main body and nozzle being printed with nice detail. Now that the print's done, here's all the parts. The kit included a motor, battery, and a switch, all ready to go. The main body holds the motor, and everything fits together easily. Once you have the motor and battery in place, you enclose it with the wire facing out towards the gap. Then you grab the driver board connector. The 2-pin connector has a plus and minus, so watch out for that. The other side goes in one way. Place it on top of the screw holes and screw it in. This is what it looks like now. Then you get the switch and feed it through the hole on this enclosure. While holding the wire on the outside, the assembled part goes in one way into the tube. There are notches to look out for, and you slide it until you reach this part. Test it to make sure everything works. Attach the back end, then the front. The filter connects to the debris catcher. I cut a plastic bottle in the size that fits for the little windows. This part is a bit tricky, but you just have to hold the pin The nozzle connects on the front. And you have several attachments that you could use. Now it's time for the test. If you want to try, the model link is in the description. Thanks for watching.